Good morning, fellow traders. It's Black Coffee Trader. Today is Thursday, August the 8th. And yesterday, after the NASDAQ had a little bit of choppy action in the morning, we made a very strong move to the upside, followed in the overnight with a hold of yesterday's high. Extremely bullish price action on the NASDAQ yesterday. Definitely looking like we're knocking at the all-time high door here today. The big question is, will we remain above yesterday's high of day on the New York session? That is this purple line. So very, very strong move. The fact that we did not break through the yesterday's New York session high in the overnight gives me a lot of confidence that this market is continuing to move higher. So what are we looking for today? Obviously, we're at a very kind of a key level here. Some previous reactions coming in here right around the 23,584s. If we do hold that, that's obviously a continued bullish move. If we do get a pullback into yesterday's high of day, that would actually almost be better. If we get a pullback to this area for a pullback long to test these high of days, that's really what we're looking for. Not looking for shorts right now. We really have to tumble probably below yesterday's low of day for me to get active in shorts, and we're back above the daily 20. So a lot of positives going on for us on the NASDAQ this morning. Things are looking quite bullish, and we'll see where this thing goes. Yes, very similar picture, kind of a choppy yesterday morning, and then we had a pretty strong move to the upside, followed again with the overnight session holding the New York session high yesterday. This purple line is the high of day, the blue line is the low of day. That's the New York session. That is what I trade on my funded accounts. And we're looking for a pullback long as well on the ES. Do we get a pullback into this low area from the last couple of weeks or last week of July? Do we get a pullback to that level, or do we get a pullback all the way to the high of day from yesterday? Either of those would be fine for a move to the upside. So definitely looking for pullback longs on the ES, and if we do get just a break above, this could be a beautiful break and retest long off this reactions coming in here on the 6250s or 6230s, 6430s if I can speak correctly, for a retest of those all-time highs. Definitely loving it. What a move. After some sideways action, we definitely pushed right out of there. On the Dow Jones, not quite the same effect. We've been really sideways all week, and in the overnight, really early this morning is when this thing really broke out, and we are rejecting the daily 20. So very similar move though. Even though we've been sideways, we pushed out of this low. Even though we've been sideways, I'm really looking for a pullback into this once again 44,430 range. This has been such a big area on the Dow Jones. You can see that very clearly. If we do get a pullback, that's a long that we're looking to take. So again, I would say as a whole, looking for longs on the Dow Jones as well. Russell, very similar picture. This market is pretty easy to read this morning. Obviously, maybe this thing completely goes sideways and we tank. It doesn't look that way, but sideways action, we broke out. If we hold above the Tuesday night overnight high, if we hold above that, that is extremely bullish on the Russell. Do we finally get a chance to test these recent highs that we've had around the 2592s? So that's what we're looking for today. Again, pullback longs across all the indices. Things are looking pretty clear. Things are looking pretty strong, pretty bullish. Above the daily 20 on the Russell. The Dow Jones is just underneath the daily 20. So Russell and the Dow Jones are probably looking a little bit less strong than do the ES and the NAS, but either way, things are looking quite strong this morning. Looking for pullback longs. Let's get it today and have a good day. So good luck out there. Have a good trading day today, and let's put some green on the charts. Take care. Until next time, so long.